Hi everyone and welcome back. Finally, Galaxy Z Fold 5 is officially available from Samsung. So should you get the Galaxy Z Fold 4 or Fold 5? Let's find out. First of all, if you already have the Galaxy Z Fold 4, then differences between the two are so minimal that it's really a mistake to buy Galaxy Z Fold 5. Unless you are a really tech savvy person. Z Fold 5 has a new hinge mechanism that makes the phone thinner and now it closes flat without any gap. Also, this phone is around 10 grams lighter in weight. With this new hinge, there is no asset difference with display keys. It's about the same. Talking about displays, they are now a lot brighter than before and they can go up to 1750 nits of peak brightness versus 1000 nits on Galaxy Z Fold 4. This is only useful when you are using your phone out in the daylight. Talking about specs, we have the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy with UFS 4.0 flash storage, which is the same as that of Galaxy S23 Ultra, but definitely faster than UFS 3.1 on Z Fold 4. Other than that, cameras are same, RAM is same, and even battery capacity is the same. So if you have a Galaxy Z Fold 3, this will be a good upgrade, considering if you are having issues with your existing foldable. But if you have a Galaxy Z Fold 4 and that's working perfectly fine, then no need to upgrade to Galaxy Z Fold 5. Chances are that next year Samsung will introduce a new design for the Z Fold 6. And it might also get dust resistance. That was rumored to arrive with Z Fold 5, but that didn't happen. You can also purchase Z Fold 4 at a discounted price instead of paying $1,800 for the new Z Fold 5. Also, Samsung is soon going to start One UI 6 beta program and Z Fold 4 will hopefully get it too later this year with a stable update. I hope this video helps you to make a better purchase decision. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.